Okay, all right, here we go. Third homework of the week for Wednesday. Let's see, homework number 83, page 76, number 7 to 10, 19, 22, 25, 27. Okay. All right, let's see. Now, this is combining like terms, which I'm crossing my fingers here that that we're there, you know? We have to be, Okay, all right. 76, 7 to 10. Let's see, I'm trying to think which questions is worth going over. And in some ways, if I go over the first four, I think you will be able to get the rest. Although I will give you the answers for the rest, okay? Because this is your first time doing this, and it's so heavy on the variables that it might not be very intuitive for you. So, all right, let's start with number 7. Now, 7 is 2r minus 5 plus 6r. Now, think about the analogy I gave you in class, right? Who's in the same family? Right? Same variable, same exponent. So what you could do is you could, let me see if I have a different color. I forgot how to get a different color. No clue. I think it's outline. Maybe not. Who knows? All right, so these two in the same family. So here's my pink square, right? And the sign in front of it. Okay, and then you have a different family here. Let's use orange. No orange. I'll use a circle for it. Okay, so here you have 2r plus 6r. So what's that? Yep, 8r, right? So imagine, right? If I say you have 2 raspberries, you have 2 raspberries, you have another 6 raspberries. You have 8 raspberries, and then you still got 5 at the end, right? The guy doesn't have any family, so he's just by himself at the end. Okay. All right. Now, 7, 8. So 8, same thing, right? They're both in the same families, right? 12. That's 12a plus 1a. That's really what that is. So if you have 12 apples, you add another apple, you have 13 apples. Okay, nothing crazy. 9. Okay, same thing. 2x and 5x is in the same family, so that's 7x plus 3. All right, and then now let's look at 10. Now this one's slightly tricky, so let me write it out. So here we can see that the last 2 guys are in the same family. Right, the plus 2m. Oh, the lights just turned off. Let me turn it back on. And minus m, and you can look at it as negative 1, but I mean, you can look at it as negative m, but you know, I mean, it doesn't matter which way you look at it. In a way, I mean, right now in the 6th grade. So now that's 4. 2m minus m. How many m's are there left? Right, 1m. Now you could write like that. Although no one writes 1m, right? Because what do you write? Yeah, just m. So therefore, if you want to write the letter first, which I have recommended you to do so, you would just have m, or 1m, positive 4, right? Positive 4. Okay? So moving around like that is something that you're not unfamiliar with. Now, having said that, what are the rest? 19. What's 19 now? Look at 19. All right, do that real quick. Or you can pause. That's right. 9a minus 3. 22. What would that be? Yeah, 3a plus 6. Now you can write 6 plus 3a, but I prefer 3a plus 6. What is it? 25. Now this one's tricky because it's nothing but letters, so it might trip you up a little bit. Look at it. How many different families are there? That's right, 2, right? The z's and the y's. So you have 8z plus 3z, that's 11z, and you got 8y. So the answer is 8y plus 11z. And then 27. Now I did 27. Oh, man. All right. I threw you 27 on purpose. I want to see just in case, in the event that we've never seen it, can you still do it? So that's the question. Now, here you're dealing with the distributive property, which is nothing new, by the way. We did that very early in the school year. So 3g, right? 3 times g is 3g. 3 times 5 is 15, so plus 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2g. And so you have 3g plus 2g, that's 5g, plus 15, okay? Not too bad, not too bad. All right, if you can do it, you know, kudos to you. Okay, all right, thanks for watching and have a good night.
OMG, that was so good.